Let's pack an order. This order is for Kimberly. She ordered one of my chunky Christmas retro journal charms. And my charms come with chain and extra little charms added. You know, very cute, very unique. I know a lot of people make these, but mine tend to be, I try to set mine apart. So she ordered one, one of the charms for Christmas. This is a Christmas collection. There are some still available in the Etsy shop. This is so super cute, and they're all unique, y'all. Very different. Each one of them are different. There are still some available, so definitely check the link below. All right, and in this order, because she's a Patreon member, I added one of my beadable pins. I'm also adding some ephemera. That's one of my fabric layered pieces there. Okay, clusters, my fabric clusters. Very pretty. I added some of those to my Patreon mail as well. So some of Patreon members got those. And just some extra goodies in there for her. All right. And then have a little bow there. And just some extra little journal bits, for our Christmas journals. We love to have all the extra things for the journals. Very cute. All right. Yeah, so I'm just showing some of the cards that I added. And some vintage photos. As well as just some other Christmas ephemera, like a whole little ephemera pack for your Christmas journals. Or her Christmas journals, I should say. And I put some stickers in there as well. These are very cute, all a little different. And each one of the journal charms comes with a pack, an ephemera and sticker pack. The beadable pins does not come in there though, so, but you will get something else. Those are like little vintage postcards. And I also have added some thrift vintage Christmas cards in the packs, everyone. So when you receive a pack from me, it'll have at least one of the thrifted vintage Christmas cards. And I also added some napkins. Excuse me. Napkins for decoupage. Just a large card there. Again, each one of these packs are different. She just got extra because she is a Patreon member. Okay, so I'm just putting everything together so I can put it in a nice envelope and send it out. Some other little pieces there. Little sequin piece pack there. Some extra little buttons for decoration. And some trim. I love this trim. It's so cute. I decided to just share a little piece of it. So yeah, that's what her packs look like. When anybody else orders them from my Etsy shop, they won't be as full, but they will have a lot of stuff in them. All of them are different, like I said. So they all have a lot of different things in them. Okay, so I'm just putting my stickers on. I love to add in my stickers. Okay. And I'm choosing one of my postcards. And that's a Christmas one, so I thought it was very fitting. With all my information on the back. So I like to pack my boxes, with extra bubble wrap and everything because, again, the post office, they will throw your things around. And I would hate for something to arrive broken and, all of that. And I try to wrap it like a little gift. Whether it's a gift to yourself or to someone you love. So come and check the Etsy shop, if I could talk, and, see what's available. I have several charms available, y'all. The link will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Ciao.